Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Inter class example number exercise number 1.3 question number 1. We have to find the limit, find the limit of each of the following sequences whose general term is given below. Whose general term is given below. Number one is an is equal to 2 power n 2n plus 1 upon 1 minus 3n. Now this is the sequence, nth term of the sequence. So we want to find out the limit of the sequence. Solution: an is equal to 2n plus 1 upon 1 minus 3n. अगर ये MCQ है तो जो वेरिएबल का कोफिशिएंट यानी एक ही किस्म के वेरिएबल हैं, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में एक ही किस्म के यानी एक ही पावर के वेरिएबल हैं, हाईएस्ट पावर, तो उनका जो कोफिशिएंट होता है वही आंसर होता है लिमिट टेंड्स टू इन्फिनिटी. यहाँ n पावर 1 है, इसका कोफिशिएंट 2 है, ये n पावर 1 है, इसका कोफिशिएंट -3 है, तो उसका आंसर होना चाहिए -2/3. ओके. सॉल्यूशन: an is equal to, if we take n as a common from 2n plus 1, this will be 2 plus 1 upon n. Also n is common, 1 upon n minus 3. So n cancel. Your an is equal to 2 plus 1 upon n upon 1 upon n minus 3. When we substitute the infinity with respect to the denominator, then result is 0. Or limit n tends to infinity an is equal to 2 plus 1 upon infinity upon 1 upon infinity minus 3. So this will be 2 plus 0 upon 0 minus 3. तो 2 upon minus 3 means minus 2 upon 3 is the answer. So इस हवाले से limit n tends to infinity an is equal to -2 upon 3. Number second is an is equal to n square minus n upon 2n square plus 5n. तो इसी का अगर MCQ है तो इसका 1/2 इज द आंसर, बिकॉज हाईएस्ट पावर जो है 2 है, तो ऊपर 2 का n स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट 1, डिनोमिनेटर में n स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट 2, तो रिजल्ट होगा 1/2 विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू लिमिट एज अ इन्फिनिटी. सॉल्यूशन: an is equal to n square minus n upon 2n square plus 5n. Therefore n is equal to n square is the common, 1 minus 1 upon n square is a common, 2 plus 5n upon n, or 5 upon n. n square cancel, to implies that an is equal to 1 minus 1 upon n upon 2 plus 5 upon n. Now applying the limit n tends to infinity, a n is equal to 1 minus 1 upon infinity 2 plus 5 upon infinity. When the infinity is the divisor, the result is 0. So this will be 1 minus 0 upon 2 plus 0 is equal to 1 upon 2. So जैसे कि मैंने अर्ज किया कि हाईएस्ट पावर कोफिशिएंट आंसर होता है, n स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट 1 है, n स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट 2 है, 1 upon 2 should be the answer. Okay. Number 3 is a n is equal to 1 plus 2 upon n. Solution: a n is equal to 1 plus 2 upon n. Limit n tends to infinity, a n is equal to 1 plus 2 upon infinity is equal to 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, limit n tends to infinity, a n is equal to 1. Next is number 4 is a n is equal to n minus 1 upon n. Solution: a n is equal to n minus 1 upon n. तो आप इसको यूँ ही लिख सकते हैं कि a n is equal to n upon n minus 1 upon n. n cancel, तो a n is equal to 1 minus 1 upon n. Applying limit n tends to infinity, a n is equal to 1 minus 1 upon infinity is equal to 1 minus 0 also is equal to 1. Number 5. Number 5. 3n. Also we can write a n is equal to 3n minus 1 n power 4 minus n upon n square plus 2 n cube plus 1. Solution is a n is equal to 3n into n power 4 3n power 5 minus 3n into n 3n square minus 1 into n power 4 n power 4 minus into minus plus n upon n square n cube means n power 5 plus n square into 1 n square plus 2n cube plus 1 to the 2. So we can write this one just like as a n is equal to 3n power 5 minus n power 4 minus 3n square plus n. Similarly, n power 5 2n cube plus n square plus 2. So highest power variable common निकालेंगे. a n is equal to n power 5 as a common. Here will be 3 minus here will be 1 upon n minus 3 upon n cube plus 1 upon n power 4 divided by n power as a common. This will be 1 plus 2 upon n square plus 1 upon n cube plus 2 upon n power 4. This will be cancelled. Applying limit n tends to infinity, a n is equal to 3 minus 1 upon infinity 3 upon infinity cube 1 upon infinity power 4 1 plus 2 upon infinity square plus 1 upon infinity cube plus 2 upon infinity power 4. Where the divisor is infinity, the result is 0. This will be 3 minus 0 plus 0 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. The result is 3. This is the answer. Okay. Number 6. Determine the limit of the sequence. Determine the limit of the sequence. 1 upon 1 into 2, comma, 1 upon 2 into 3, comma, 1 upon 3 into 4, up to continue. कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि अगर सीक्वेंस में न्यूमरेटर और न्यूमरेटर सेम रहता है, डिनोमिनेटर बढ़ता जाता है, तो रिजल्ट ज़ीरो होता है. सिमिलरली अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम रहे, न्यूमरेटर बढ़ता रहे, तो रिजल्ट इन्फिनिटी होती है. अगर न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों ही एक रेशो से बढ़ते जाएं, तो रिजल्ट 1 होता है. सॉल्यूशन an is equal to 1 upon 1 into 2, comma, 1 upon 2 into 3, comma, 1 upon 3 into 4, up to continue. So we will convert this expression into the general term as 1, 2, 3, this will be is equal to n. You also know we can express the set of natural numbers just like n. And next is 2 and 2, 3, 4, this will be n plus 1. So it implies that our an is equal to 1 upon n into n plus 1. Suppose if you want to check the second term means n is equal to 2, a2 is the second term, 1 upon 2 into 2 plus 1 means 2 into 3. Third term, 1 upon 3 into 3 plus 1 means 3 plus 1 4. So this is a an. So limit n tends to infinity, an is equal to 1 upon infinity into infinity plus 1 is equal to also 1 upon infinity, which is also is equal to 0. So limit of the sequence is equal to 0. This is the answer. Find the limit of the sequence. Find the limit of the sequence 1 into 2 upon 3 into 4, 3 into 4 upon 5 into 6, 5 into 6 upon 7 to 8. It's a continue. So here sequence is consist on 4 terms, 4 parts. First part is 1, 3, 5. Second part is 2, 4, 6. Third part is 3, 5, 7. And fourth part is 4, 6, 8. So we will also find the general term of these terms. As an 1, suppose an 1 is equal to 1, 3, 5. an 2 is equal to 2, 4, 6. an 3 is equal to 3, 5, 7. an 4 is equal to 4, 6, 8. Now we will find the general term of 135. General term for 135, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into difference. This is a general term. Here a is 1, प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डिफरेंस इज 2, तो ये 1 प्लस 2n माइनस 2, तो 2n माइनस 1. So this can be can be written generally into 2n minus 1. Suppose now we want to find the third term. Third term is 2 3 the 6, 6 minus 1 5. Third term is 5. Okay. Here for a and 2, this will be a and 2 is equal to a and 1 is equal to here a and 2 is equal to a means 2 plus n minus 1 into difference also is equal to 2. So 2 plus 2n minus 2, 2 cancel. So this will be 2n. This will be 3. Number 3 is a and 3 is equal to a 3 plus n minus 1 into difference 2 also. 3 plus 2n minus 2, so 2n plus 1. This will be 2n plus 1. 4 6 8. Number 4th is a and 4 is equal to 4 plus n minus 1 into also 2. So this will be 4 plus 2n minus 2, 2n plus 2. This will be 2n plus 2. Okay. Now general term a n बराबर 1 3 5 2n minus 1 and 2 4 6 2n and 3 5 7 2n plus 1 and n4 is 4 8 6 2n plus 2. So 2 to the 4 result is 1. Okay. 2n into 2n 2n power 4 minus 1 into 2n minus 2n upon 2n power 4 plus 2 to the 4n 2 to the 4n 2 to the 4n power 4 plus 2n plus 2. Now n power 4 is a common. This will be 4 minus 2 upon n cube upon n power 4, 4 plus 6 upon n cube plus 2 upon n power 4 n4 cancel. After applying the limit n tends to infinity a n is equal to 4 minus 2 upon infinity cube 4 plus 6 upon infinity square plus 2 upon infinity power 4. Result is 4 minus 0 upon 4 plus 0. So this will be 4 upon 4 cancel 1. So limit n tends to infinity a n is equal to 1. This is the answer. A sequence is given by a sequence is given by 3 upon 2 comma 2 upon 3 5 upon 4 4 upon 5 etc. Write down the general term of the sequence write down the general term of the sequence and find its limit. Solution. S an is equal to 3 upon 2, comma 2 upon 3, comma 5 upon 4, comma 4 upon 5. This is a general expression. So we can write this one just like as a 2 plus 1 upon 2, 3 minus 1 upon 3, 4 plus 1 upon 4, 5 minus 1 upon 5. So this is the expression. So we can write this just like 2 plus 1 upon 2 means 2 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, comma 3 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3, comma 4 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4, comma 5 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. Similarly, 6 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6, 7 upon 7 minus 1 upon 7. This is just like, so 2 cancel, 3 cancel, 4 cancel, 5 cancel. This will be 1 plus 1 upon 2, 1 minus 1 upon 3, 1 plus 1 upon 4, 1 minus 1 upon 5, just like. So first term is a constant, 1, 1, 1, 1. For every time, for each stage, there is a 1. ठीक. 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to 1. So this will be again 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 5. Similarly, numerator is 1 and denominator is 2, 3, 5. So this is 1 also. If this is 2, 1 minus 1, 1. So you can write this just like 1 plus minus 1 power n. Abhi n is 1. If n is 1, then 1 plus 1, 2. This will be plus. If n is 2, this will be 3. 3 means minus. So minus 1 power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So therefore an is equal to 1 plus minus 1 power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. And also we have to find its limit. So limit n tends to infinity, an is equal to 1 plus minus 1 power infinity plus 1 upon infinity plus 1. So whatever the infinity in power, but when it's divisor, the result is 0. So this will be 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 means 1. This is answer.